The purpose of this video is to show how to pull a static file from the Stonex GPS unit for post-processing. To start with, based on the existing screen, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to connect to Wi-Fi, and I'm going to look for the device, my Stonex device, and that's the serial number of my Stonex unit. I'm going to connect to that. We can do this outside of FieldGenius, so we can do this from any computer. Just sit the unit on the desk, power it up, so you can connect to it, and you should be good to go. So we'll let it connect, and then once it connects, we're going to open a browser and actually go into the unit itself. While that's connecting, I'm going to go ahead and open a browser, and I'm going to type in the URL is 192.168.10.1. And now we're accessing the actual unit, the Stonex unit. Under user, I'm going to use the name admin, A-D-M-I-N, all in lowercase. And for password, in lowercase, P-A-S-S-W-O-R-D, password. Very original. Now it's going to call, it's actually logged into the unit, and I can see all sorts of things about this. I can configure this unit. This is how we update the firmware, those types of things. We can look at the working mode, look at our satellites from the standpoint of what our satellite settings are, which constellations we're using, and so forth. What I'm going to do is go to this menu over here, download raw data. And you'll notice that I have one here that I just recorded a little while ago. I'm going to click on that. And what's nice about this is I can actually convert this to Rhinex files right here. So I'm going to go ahead and convert it to Rhinex 3.02. I'm going to hit convert and let it take care of it for us. So then I can take these files directly out to Opus and post-process them. Once that's done, we will download these files. Okay, it has converted. I'm going to close this window. Now I'm just going to go ahead and download these data files. And it is downloading now. In the lower left-hand corner, you can see the file being downloaded. And you also see right here, under that one, that's my raw file. Now here's my Rhinex files. So I'm going to go ahead and download that as well. Both of these, if I have all my files when I download, they download into a downloads subdirectory. So I'm going to jump over there real quick, and I'll show that to you. Go to downloads, and you'll see here's my two files right here, my zip file and my DAT file. So that's how you get your data. You can take these files now, you can explode those, and there's all the files that you need in order to run through Opus. So that's how you record or download data from a Stonex unit using your PC. No need to go back through FieldGenius or Surge CE for that. Easily done right here on the PC. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.